Improve your skills as an affiliate marketing agent. If you are looking for a solution to your money problems, affiliate marketing could be your answer. However, do not be fooled by thinking affiliate marketing will not require much work on your part. The truth is that it requires a good bit of work if you really want to make serious money doing it. You will find some tips below to assist you. Do something every day to further your internet affiliate marketing business, even if it is something small. This incremental approach will move your business forward while keeping you from getting burned out or discouraged. Soon, your business will start to pay off without it seeming like a lot of work. You will need to know your target audience when putting affiliate marketing material on your site. Know why they are coming to your website and what it is that they are looking for there. If you don't capture their interest quickly, they will leave the site without participating in anything. The prudent website owner will take an affiliate's reputation into consideration when he or she decides whether or not to work with the affiliate. Regardless of the potential profits or the sales potential of the affiliate's products, an affiliate that is tough for customers to deal with will reflect poorly on the webmaster. When choosing which companies to align yourself with in affiliate marketing, choose companies that sell products your visitors are interested in purchasing. You earn more money when users click on or purchase products using your affiliate links, so it makes sense to choose things that are likely to interest your website visitors. As you can see, it is possible to be successful with affiliate marketing, but it requires a lot of discipline. You need to take these pieces of advice to heart, and learn how you can apply them to be successful. If you do not have the discipline to do this, then do not bother with affiliate marketing. However, if you do have the discipline, then go for it. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.